If you want to start using Trainual, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload audio on Trainual. So first, go to trainual.com and log in your account. So make sure you are on the content section here in Trainual. So as you can see on the right side, click the create subject button on the upper right corner. After that, input your subject name. It can be a policies or a company name. It's up to you. So in this case, I'm going to input up to process, and below on the subject name you will see here the what kind of training is this. So you can choose a company, policies, or process. So in this case, I choose the process. So once you are on the topic, you can now create a topic title. So in this case, I'm going to input rose or red. Also, you can also click the add content button. So once you are inside the topic, select the insert beside the format, and you will see here the file icon. Click on the file icon in order to upload a audio. Make sure that it is on the right format. So in this case, Trainual only accept the MP3 format. So once you choose a audio file to upload in Trainual, just simply click the upload, and as you can see here, it's already uploaded to your steps or topics here in Trainual. And then you can now proceed to publish if you want to, and that's it. That's how you upload audio on Trainual. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.